everyone, it is Cassey's channel, and today we are opening a 3D magnetic building tiles. So we're going to be opening. I'm gonna search on everything. So
You gotta show the name first. Okay, it's called
Picasso
tiles. Yes, and it's a 3D magnetic building tiles. It has 60 pieces.
Yeah.
There's also 100 pieces on this one. So this is good for 3 years old and up. Let's see that. 3 years old. Yep.
That's why I still love this.
Yep.
Like this.
So Cassie got this one on Christmas from cousin Nathan.
Nathan?
Yeah, from Nathan. Auntie Wendy's son. Okay.
Whoa!
So show what you guys got. So
I
let's
can
see.
do like this. Like this.
Okay.
So we will be learning the shapes and colors. So I'm gonna review Cassie since I already know the shapes and colors. So Cass, what shape is this? Blue. Blue triangle.
A blue triangle.
And what is this?
Okay.
A triangle. And what color is this? Purple. A triangle. It looks like a rainbow.
A what?
A rainbow. Pink. Looks like a rainbow again. Orange. It looks like a rainbow again.
Babes, you have to say the color and the shape. You're funny.
And then this is the boss fight.
So this is actually good because.
Yellow.
So what about this one?
Yellow.
Okay, what about
What
this
is
one?
it? And then
So what about this?
orange.
Okay, and what shape is this one?
A triangle.
Okay, so you see.
Cool shapes.
Hold on, you have not reviewed it yet with all the shapes. What about that? What color is that, and what shape is that?
It's just square.
Okay, good job. Next
That's
one.
everything.
Okay,
That's all the
no,
shapes.
she needs to know all the colors.
Yeah, yellow. Square.
Oh wow! So from a triangle forming into a square.
Or a diamond.
Yes, or a diamond. Ooh, it's a multicolor. That's cool, huh? Okay, now you can start building. I think we're already done. Wait, can you make another shape from that one though?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can make a rhombus.
Oh, you can make a rhombus. Good
See?
job.
A rhombus.
Oh, that's cool. Do you know that shape, baby? Okay. A rhombus. She has all the 3D shapes in her room.
She has a 3D.
Oh, what is that one?
A 3D cube.
Yes, a 3D cube. Good job.
Let's get the tower cube.
Oh.
We can also make other cool stuff like this.
Uh-huh. Okay, show it to me.
We can actually make a star.
A star?
Yeah.
Oh.
By adding 6 run.
We have small squares and we also have the big squares here.
Yeah, but I'm going to be.
I love the
building,
colors of this one. So what were you saying, Baba?
Yeah, so I made a star.
Aw, that's so cute.
Now, time to remove this. And then you get. Okay, honey, for hexagon. Hexagon, not
Okay.
octagon.
A hexagon. Okay, what other
An
shapes?
octagon has 8 sides, and the hexagon has 6 sides.
Correct.
It's a star.
Okay. What about the pentagon? How many sides does it have?
5.
Okay. What about heptagon? Heptagon.
7.
7. What about an octagon? How many sides does it have? Okay. Well, we have nonagon and decagon, but we will do that one next time. It's kind of like complicated right now.
Let's try to make a little
That's it?
Wait, we're not done yet.
Why don't you try to make a castle?
That's what we're building a lighthouse.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Oh no. We better be very careful.
I wonder if you guys can make this one.
We can.
Are you sure? This one.
Yeah.
This one looks cool.
Yeah, but we're just gonna build a lighthouse for now.
Okay.
And then let's add the final touch. Wait. We only have a piece here, Cass. We won't be needing Cass's piece. Wait, let me borrow these to make pyramid. Pyramid is actually
I can see
not
it,
a
yeah,
full triangle. It's actually just a square and 4 triangles.
Show it. Oh, wow. That looks nice.
I need a triangle for here.
Okay.
It's the hog now. I mostly use all the triangles to make something cool.
What about you, babes? Why don't you create something? Kuya has been
Create a
building.
masterpiece.
Yeah. Can I move it like that? Oh, that is so cool. Good job, Yaya.
It has like this. Here is a snake. Oh!
A snake. Oh. Is the lighthouse already done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Almost.
That's it? Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice, babes.
Yeah, Cassey.
So that's just only the design.
It just helps see the people that are on the sea. If they can't see anything, the lighthouse will help them see. How about we put water to the sea? Ready?
So what are you building right now? You have to show it because the lighthouse is actually blocking you. So I can't
Best
see it.
creation we made is blocking the little creation. Wow, this is actually like a mini version of the lighthouse.
Oh.
This mini version
Uh-huh.
compared to the real version. You can prefer the real version is better. Bosses, if you want to try. Like this, what I made. So you can use like a triangle and then this square can be your boss. What this thing says. Be creative, be
Yeah.
unique, make your creation what you want it to be.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it does look nice. What about you, babes? Come on. Show your own. Let me.
Flying people like these. It's pretty simple. Look. You can build a 3D, a real one. The pyramid are actually just not made with full triangles. This is a full triangle. So if you want to make a full 3D triangle, use these. So you just need, I'm going to show you how to make it. So first you need four triangles. You want one in the bottom so you can make them stand still. Once you are going to add a triangle here. And then you add a triangle, another triangle
pick it
to
up, baby.
connect it. And then you add the final one and then boom, there you go. I can show you how to make this one. So I'm going to show you. So if you're running out of blocks, I can show you how to make squares with these. So you can connect them any way. This is like a little bus part. So the right way to do it is to put the squares like the big triangles like this to make one full square. squares. So you can make these. So you're going to put it like this, this,
That's smart.
and this. And then we're gonna take this one. And then instead of we just making this and put it there because it does not fit, we're going to take this one out and then we're going to connect it like this. It's the same, but you just have to add one more. You just need to add a square on the bottom instead of the triangle.
That way
And then
you can build the
there you
roof. Yeah, good job. What about you, Cass? What are you building there? How many sides?
I'm gonna show you the last thing that we're going to do, and then we're just gonna end the video. So
But wait, what do you think about this magnetic tiles?
it's very cool and fun. So let me show you guys how to make a little rocket ship. So you will need two triangle pieces, these triangle pieces, and I'm going to show you how to make one. So first you place it this, but instead of doing like this, we're going to turn it upside down. And then we're going to add the orange, and then add the yellow, and then add the blue. So
The blue, this purple.
the purple. And then we're going to add these two little fire rockets. And then there you have it.
Wow, you're so creative, Baba. What about Cascas?
You can make it long.
So, Cass, do you like it?
Yeah.
How was it? Is it fun? One thing I like about this one is because it's fun, it's colorful, and it's also very educational. And it's really gonna help you guys on how to be creative.
So this is